Welcome to my channel. Greetings, dear viewers. In this enlightening corner of the internet, we delve deep into the timeless words of Samuel Johnson, exploring 26 carefully curated quotes that offer insights into life, knowledge, and the human spirit. Let's start. Quotation number 1, "It matters not how a man dies, but how he lives." Quotation number 2, "Curiosity is, in great and generous minds, the first passion and the last." Quotation number 3, "I hate mankind, for I think myself one of the best of them, and I know how bad I am." Quotation number 4, "He who makes a beast of himself gets rid of the pain of being a man." Quotation number 5, "A writer only begins a book. A reader finishes it." Quotation number 6, "Men know that women are an overmatch for them, and therefore they choose the weakest or the most ignorant. If they did not think so, they never could be afraid of women knowing as much as themselves." Quotation number 7, "What is written without effort is in general read without pleasure." Quotation number 8, "Curiosity is one of the permanent and certain characteristics of a vigorous intellect." Quotation number 9, "Patriotism is the last refuge of a scoundrel." Quotation no 10, "I never desire to converse with a man who has written more than he has read." Quotation number 11, "There can be no friendship without confidence, and no confidence without integrity." Quotation no 12, "The chains of habit are too weak to be felt until they are too strong to be broken." Quotation no 13, "There can be no friendship without confidence, and no confidence without integrity." Quotation no 14, "Few things are impossible to diligence and skill. Great works are performed not by strength, but by perseverance." Quotation no 15, "Integrity without knowledge is weak and useless, and knowledge without integrity is dangerous and dreadful." Quotation no 16, "Almost all absurdity of conduct arises from the imitation of those whom we cannot resemble." Quotation no 17, "It is better to suffer wrong than to do it, and happier to be sometimes cheated than not to trust." Quotation no 18, "I would rather be attacked than unnoticed." For the worst thing you can do to an author is to be silent as to his works. Quotation no 19, "The greatest part of a writer's time is spent in reading. In order to write, a man will turn over half a library to make one book." Quotation 2, "You raise your voice when you should reinforce your argument." Quotation number 21, "What we hope ever to do with ease, we must first learn to do with diligence." Quotation no 22, "To keep your secret is wisdom, but to expect others to keep it is folly." Quotation no 23, "Of the blessing set before you make your choice, and be content. No man can taste the fruits of autumn while he is delighting his scent with the flowers of the spring. No man can, at the same time, fill his cup from the source and from the mouth of the Nile." Quotation number 24, "Allow children to be happy in their own way, for what better way will they find?" Quotation 25, "It is necessary to hope, for hope itself is happiness." Quotation number 26, "Distance has the same effect on the mind as on the eye." Subscribe, like, and share so you never miss an episode. Together, let's unravel the brilliance of Samuel Johnson, one quote at a time. Prepare to be inspired, enlightened, and empowered. Thank you for being here. Let's dive into the world of wisdom, SNJ Media, where words illuminate